Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app, which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings. They are not visible right here in this upper bar, but no worries, simply tap on this 4 squares or 4 dots icon and now enter the settings. Here we have to tap on languages and tap on add keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards. You can scroll and find it or simply enter the name of the language right here and tap on the specific one you'd like to apply. Now you can choose the keyboard layout which you would like to use, so in my case this one, and tap on done. As you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list, so the list of applied languages. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So the most important thing is the globe icon, which will allow you to change the language. So now we've got the English layout and here we've got the Urdu one. And the other difference is also the space bar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So to remove the language, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.